And today we'll make together a super special chicken, rich in umami and very easy to make. And for our recipe today, a chicken thigh, it has a bone and also has the skin on. And we'll season it with a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Now a tablespoon of regular soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of mirin. For those who don't know, mirin is a cooking sake. You can even find it in large supermarkets. And now a little bit of black pepper. And here, give it a little mix so the sauce coats all the chicken. And let's leave it marinating here for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, cut half a red onion. You can use regular onion as well. Cut it very finely. And here you can also increase the amount. You can also add the whole onion. Yes. And if you want to chop it really small, that's fine too. A lot of ginger. Here we have about 3 centimeters of ginger. And just slice it. Cut it like this. You can slice it thin. The thinner the better. And here. And it can also be cut into small pieces. 3 more cloves of garlic. You can use 4 cloves. Just slice it. It doesn't need to be very thick. The garlic will add a special touch, and for our recipe, if you want to add more, it will taste even better. And this amount of seasoning I'm making here can be used for up to 2 chicken thighs. In a frying pan, a little bit of olive oil and the seasonings. And saute until golden, and then here, at this point, it's already great. We can turn it off. Don't worry about the ginger. It doesn't need to be that golden. We're going to cook it later. That's what's going to give our broth its flavor. Just set it aside because we'll use it later with the chicken. You don't even need to wash the pan. Just use it as it is. Our chicken is already ready. Take it out of the marinade and put it in to fry. Save this sauce because we'll use it later. And here, let it cook on medium to low heat and let it brown. Cover it for a little while. And now we can flip it. And cover it again. And here with the chicken well fried, add 100 ml of water. A tablespoon of mirin. The broth that was left over. Half a tablespoon of rice vinegar. You can also use white vinegar. 1 tablespoon of sugar. The ginger, garlic, and onion that were sautéed. Just spread it out a little, very evenly. And now, medium to low heat, cover it and let it sit here for 5 minutes. And if you see that the broth is going to spill out of the pan, just lower the heat a little. After 5 minutes, just flip the chicken. And let it cook for another 5 minutes covered. Here, After another 5 minutes, the sauce is already caramelized. Just turn it off. And look how nice it turned out. Chop a little bit of green onion. This is to taste, just to finish the dish. It will also make it a little more colorful. The chicken. And in our sauce, a drizzle of toasted sesame oil. Mix. Pour the sauce on top. Add the ginger and the garlic on top. Green onion. An extremely flavorful chicken that you can make at home.